Good evening and welcome to the Q&A session 16 from the playlist of NEET Physics part 2, and the topic for the today's session is the variation of electric field intensity at a point due to the presence of an electric dipole. And based on this topic, I have selected one question which was asked in the NEET exam in the year 2022. So in the question there is a figure which shows two charges which are separated by a distance L. So this is a negative charge and this is a positive charge. The magnitude of both the charges are the same and they are separated by a distance L as shown in this figure. So the magnitude of the electric field intensity at a distance R, where R is very large in comparison to L, varies as, we have been given 4 options and we have to find the correct option. Now here this point which is at a distance R can lie on the axial line of the dipole, or it can lie on the equatorial line, or it can lie at any other point in free space. So we all know that the intensity of electric field due to a dipole. Now this is a dipole here. A dipole is basically a system of two charges which are separated by a small distance, and the magnitude of both the charges are the same, but one of them is a negative charge and the other one is a positive charge. So this is a dipole which is separated by a distance L. So let us say this is a dipole here, minus Q, and this is a plus Q, and this is separated by a distance L. So I am just taking any point here in free space. Let us, this is the point P, which is or you can say, let us consider a point P here. This is the point P. Now this point P is, say, at a distance R. Now this R is very large in comparison to L. So the intensity of the electric field due to this dipole at this point P, the general formula for it is, this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P divided by R cube under root 3 cos square theta plus 1. Here theta is what? Theta is the angle between the direction of the dipole moment. The direction of the dipole moment is from the negative charge towards the positive charge. So this is the direction of the dipole moment. So theta is the angle between the direction of the dipole moment and the line joining the point with the center of the dipole. So this is the center of the dipole. So theta is the angle between the line joining the point to the center of the dipole and the direction of the dipole moment. Here P is the dipole moment and R is the distance of this point P from the center of the dipole. So from here we can see that and this formula is applicable when the medium is free space. So here I am considering the medium to be a free space. So here, from here we can see that E is directly proportional to 1 upon R cube, or we can say that E is inversely proportional to R cube. Here P, dipole moment, is a constant. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is also a constant, and for a particular point this theta is also constant. So E will be inversely proportional to R cube, or we can say directly proportional to 1 by R cube. So here the correct option is C. So thank you very much for joining this session. We will, in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question which has been asked in the NEET exam, and the chapter will remain the same, that is electric charges and field. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.